Got it here, alert like kit plus signal kit for the boat, looks like, but could be for the car as well, pretty much for anything. Alright, let's unbox it. Whoa, check this out. Okay, first of all, looks like we got the signal gun. That's pretty awesome. That's for the boat. I'm gonna keep it in there just like that. We have a boat, probably gonna put it in the boat. This side here, that's how it's supposed to look like. The actual case is a little bit different. Looks like you could put some other things inside here. Okay, this one is handheld orange smoke signal. So this side here during the day, what you would be using. And let's see what this one is. Handheld marine red signal flare. So this one what you would be using at night time, and you can hold it in a hand. That is awesome. I never seen anything like that. So that's cool. Okay, let's go put them to the test and see if they're going to look pretty good or not. Okay, and this is the smoke handheld. You just open it and open this part, and again strike it just like a match. Very interesting kit. I never seen a handheld smoke right here. There's instructions. Hold at this end, in case you're not sure. You hold it like that, I guess. Okay, let's test them out. Okay, this side here, the smoke, there goes nothing. Okay, hold it at this end. Really bright. It is really hot. Okay, and there you go. Once it gets going, you gotta hear the actual smoke. Alright. Wow, that is a high output for sure. Woo! Yeah, you definitely want to stay away, keep it away from you, because it does pop a little bit. But there you go. What do you guys think? Quite heavy smoke. Look at that, you can't even see me. Probably want to stand away from it. Look at that, gonna show it to you close up. They are designed to actually hold. You see it says hold at this end, so that's cool. That's definitely high output. Whenever you see an aircraft, there you go. But it doesn't last super long time. There you go, and it's all gone now. And this side here is a handheld marine red signal flare. This made for the night time. I'm not actually for calling for help, so I'm doing it in the daytime, so that way not confuse anybody. Okay, hold it at this end. Okay, and it's hot already, very hot. As you can see, it's very bright. I can't even look at it. It is extremely bright. So I would keep it away from you, so in case it pops a little bit or melting a little bit of wax or whatever the drips is doing, so that way you're not seeing it. So imagine in the water, it's gonna reflect so far. And the reason why they say marine, I guess there's melting a little bit, as you can see, melting drips. That way you don't have to worry about it. A little bit of darkness over here, or shade. You can see it's really bright. Check this out, handheld marine red signal flare. It burns a long time. But yeah, that's why they probably telling you to hold it over the water, because look at these driplets it's doing. But yeah, probably will reflect on the water like crazy. But yeah, that's why this smoke is way better for the daytime. This thing is obviously for the nighttime. No wonder they call it a marine flare, because this is a really powerful flare. Look how much it's outputting. So obviously I could lay it down too, but you're supposed to hold it, kind of like let it drip over the water. Very powerful. burn time is way longer than the smoke, so that's pretty great. Still keep on going. It didn't pop or anything. Finally slowing down. I just laid it down because I got bored with it, don't want to hold it anymore. But yeah, if you put it in the shade, it is very bright red. Keep on going. I'm not gonna test this one out, so just gonna put it in the board. Pretty cool. Boom, that's a very unique kit.